Add signature to Gmail. A signature is a text that is automatically placed to the bottom of Gmail messages as a footer, such as your contact information or a favorite quote. You can put up to 10,000 characters in your signature. It may contain images, URLs also. Gmail signature makes you easily recognizable, double up as a visiting card, and provides authenticity. How to add a signature to your Gmail. In the top right, click Settings, see all settings. In the bottom part of the settings page, you can see the signature section. In the Signature section, you may see Create a New button with a No Signatures caption. Click on the Create a New button. It will pop up the Name New Signature box and you can give a name to your signature. Type a suitable name and click on the Create button. Now the signature section changes to a text area. You can enter text, images, and URLs. From the left side box, you can see the list of your signatures. You can edit or delete them using the relevant icon. Add your signature text in the right side box. If you want, you can format your message by adding an image or changing the text style. You can change the font face, font size, format text, change color, add links to your text, insert images to your signature, add bullets or numbering to your signature, and more. I am adding my YouTube channel URL to the text. Then my logo to the signature. You can use an image URL, use images in your Google Drive, and upload the image to Google to insert an image. Once you create the signature, you can set the signature defaults for new emails or reply or forward emails. Finally, at the bottom of the page, click the Save Changes button. When you compose a new email, you can see the new signature is automatically added to the footer of the email. Let's check how it is seen in an email. You can see the added URL is working great. Let's see how to manage multiple signatures. Go to the Settings and Signature section. Click on the Create New button to create another signature. Follow the previous instructions to create the signature. You can use different signatures for your emails. For example, you can set a signature default for new emails you compose or reply to. And you can choose a different signature with each email you send. You can have several signatures for your email account. At the bottom of the signature section, you can select the default signature for new emails and another signature for reply or forward emails. Click on the Save Changes button to apply changes. You can see the send email signature and the reply to signatures as per your selection. Also, you can change the signature when you send the email using the pen icon in the bottom toolbar of the Compose email window. You can go to the signature settings using the Manage Signatures command on the pen icon. I have created a very simple signature, but you can use your imagination and create more attractive signatures. To apply newly created signatures, you need to close the currently opened Compose Mail window and open a new window. Also, you can easily change between the created signatures using the pen icon. Now I show you how to create an attractive email signature using a third-party tool. Some third-party websites help you create a professional signature with predefined templates. Here I am using the www.mail-signatures.com website, which is a free service. Also, you don't even need an account to create a signature. You can create a signature using the Signature Generate feature. There are 4 options on the Signature Generator page. 1. Select your email platform. 2. Select your template. 3. Enter your details. 4. Apply the signature. You can view a live preview of the details entered in the signature preview area. The signature details panel is divided into personal data, company data, graphics, style, and social media link. These settings may change as per the template. For the website, you can add your website if you have. Or you can just keep it empty. For the logo, I am using my YouTube channel logo. And the logo is linking to my YouTube channel. Similarly, the banner image should be uploaded to your website and the URL should be added to the banner URL. Since I do not have such a banner, I will keep that empty. I am changing the style a little bit. Finally, the social media links. You can keep empty if you do not have a given social media account. I am changing my website name since the given URL does not appear well. Remember, my details option will keep the entered details saved on the web page. Then you do not need to enter them every time. Let's try a different template. You can see the settings are changing as per the template. More templates link shows you all the available templates. Once you completed, you need to click Apply Your Signature button to generate your signature. It will show you instructions in the preview or to apply your signature as per your email platform. You can see when you change the email platform, the instructions are changed according to it. Once you are done, click on the Copy button to copy your email signature to the clipboard. Then go to Gmail settings and paste your copied signature in a new signature or your existing signature. Click Save and you can check how does it look composing an email. And that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.